Welcome back, queens and kings, and thank you guys so much for watching. So for today's video, we're doing our kitchen as well as our bar cart and our cocoa station with decorating. And I have already decorated this set, in which I did a collaboration hosted by Miss Catherine at Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. So if your notification bell's on, you should have seen this video, and if you're truly watching. So here is the kitchen. You guys know I don't do much for my kitchen. I like the little simple look, and I like the way that I can add colors to actually spruce it up and bring it up. So now we're just gonna go ahead and decorate the cocoa station. And as you guys can see, I made some changes with the tray that I have the cocoa on, as well as the containers. And these little candy canes actually came from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. I actually like these, and I'm quite sure my daughter like them too, because I know a whole pack is actually gone. So I filled a cloche up that I got from Pier 1 and put some little ornaments and everything in to make it all look festive and little rustic glam. Y'all know my style. And I'm using my little fancy cups, yes, from Home Goods. Just for video purpose, because at the time the kids are gone, so right now they can't use these cups. But then I started placing some picks and everything around, which I caught hell with these picks. I could not get them to stay right or lay right or look right. So I played around with the station for a little while. Then eventually I got the look and desire that I wanted. As you guys can see, these scrolls keep falling over, so that got on my nerves too. I caught hell with that, so eventually I got rid of that too as well. And then it actually just all came together once I did it. And then I add this Target dollar spot little picture there that say make spirits bright. So this is the cocoa station. I really do love the way that this look. This actually is nothing but rustic glam to me. And as you guys can see, I did add a nutcracker back there. I had totally forgot about those guys. But yeah, I really do like it. I really do like it. I'm quite sure my kids gonna actually enjoy it, well, my daughter mostly of all anyways. So yeah. So let's move on to the rest of the kitchen and decorate. All I did here was just add the little joy sign as well as the Noel sign. Now this little sash here, actually I got the idea from the Millionaire House. So shout out to you, because I wasn't sure what I want to do over my stove, and I seen her video and I made me one. And these little nutcrackers here came from Big Lots last year or the year before last. And all I'm doing is just adding some picks in to the rest of my decor, because I'm going with more like a simple, less rustic glam look. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm going for this year, because I don't have to do much to my white kitchen. And these towers here came from Home Goods, Marshall, TJ Maxx, one of the three. I don't know. They all cousins and family, just like we are. So yeah. So this is pretty much the overview for the kitchen, which I love the way how the breakfast bar as well as it blend into the kitchen. Is not taking over the kitchen. It's not too much. So I love the way that this look. I didn't want nothing too high and bulkish that gonna actually blocks the kitchen. And I just love the way that my kitchen look. It's just so beautiful. This white just does it justice. I really do love it. So here's another angle. And as you guys can see, I do have the tree up back there. So pretty soon a haul will be coming up. So you guys look out for that. And this grateful and blessed sign came from Family Dollars this year, which I didn't haul the edge. But I just wanted to go with a simple look this year. And I think I actually achieved that this year. And as you guys can see, I have those containers that I did have the cocoa station, the original cocoa and marshmallows in over here. So basically now I have my rice, sugar, and flowers in it. So I think that's a better choice. But I really do love the way that the sash look over my stove. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. Okay, queens and kings, so we're moving on to the bar cart now. Here I am basically just trying to figure out how I want to arrange everything on my bar cart. Not sure the look that I was the ideal or style that I was going for, but I know the look that I was going for, which as a rustic glam. So basically I'm stacking all my little table books, coffee table books here, replacing those on top of that because I do know I want them to be there. My tray here is a DIY tray that I use Dollar Tree items. This little candle holder came from TJ Maxx last year. Then I have this little baller here, which I'm not sure if I want to put it there or not. As you can see in that little ball, that little decorative ball came from Z Gallery, and I'm just basically adding some picks and ornaments just to bring a little more festive look and everything on my bar cart. I'm not sure what I want to do. And this little shaker here, as well as this ice bucket, came from Home Goods, so it does match the little fancy cups that I have on my cocoa station. So you guys can see things starting to basically just cohese together. And these little Santa boots, so cute. They came from Target this year. I love them. I really do love those. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna play around until I get the desired look that I want. And these glasses here came from Ross, you guys know. I just hauled those, so if you missed that haul, which I'm pretty sure that you guys did, because 14,000 of y'all did not show no love, but yeah. And these towels also came from Home Goods, Target, you know, the family store, you know. And on these towels, I think they say jingle all the way. Now we're just going to do a quick little Garland DIY, which these snowflakes came from Target, and these crystals or jewels or whatever you want to call it, Garland, came from Amazon somewhere. You know, you can actually buy them all over. Right about now, you probably could get them from Hobby Lobby. So all I'm doing now is just basically tying the string through one of the loops and just pulling it just to put my little snowflakes on it. And I have 5, so this actually worked out just fine. So here it is. I love the way that this actually look how it just all sparkles together. And it goes great with that little sign back there that say fa la 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 la. But yeah, so this is pretty much my bar cart. And here's the towels. Like I said, yeah, they say jingle all the way. Gorgeous. I love this setup. And then I add these little snowflakes as well on the wall there, just to bring a little more glitz and glam. And this came from Target Dollar Spot as well last year. Okay, queens and kings, so this is pretty much it, my bar cart, which I have to say I love everything about my bar cart. I love the way that the bar cart coheses with the kitchen, as the kitchen coheses with the cocoa station, as the cocoa station coheses with the breakfast bar. I love everything about it. I love how it all just blend in together. And as you guys can see, I'm actually going in like a routine as I'm doing these decorate with me videos. So if you guys notice, I did the outside, and now I'm moving my way on into the inside like one big circle. But I love everything about this bar cart. If you queens and kings enjoy decorating with me like I love having you guys to decorate with me, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the castle, I could not stress this anymore, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you truly consider to be a part of the family. Also, queens and kings, go ahead and share the video with whoever, and just tell someone about the channel, because you never know, we may inspire that person just like you guys inspired me regardless. But that is it for this video, queens and kings. I will talk to you all in the next video. Happy holidays, and always do what you're afraid to do. And you guys know that's in a positive way. Bye. I love you all.